In the late 1800s, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and endless savannas, life was simple, yet full. The people here lived by the rhythm of the land, tending their crops, raising their livestock, and sharing their joys and sorrows under the vast African sky. But one fateful year, the skies turned against them. A storm like no other descended upon the village. Winds howled, rains poured, and the earth itself seemed to tremble. By dawn, what once stood proud was reduced to ruins. For many, the storm had not just destroyed their homes, it had stolen their hope. Fields were flooded, livestock lost, and families left with nothing but the clothes on their backs. The future seemed as bleak as the stormy skies. But one among them refused to give up. This farmer, known for their quiet strength, chose action over despair. If the storm has taken everything, they said, then we must build anew.